So tomorrow's Father's Day, and being the procrastinator that I am, the master procrastinator that I am, I'm gonna go try to buy him something right now. So we're headed to the mall. Probably pick him up some shorts, some dad shorts. I'm just kidding, my dad's super fly. Got my dad's stuff, and now we're gonna try to get some smoothies somewhere. If they have smoothies here. It's 5:30 in the morning. It's Sunday. It's also Father's Day. And I'm heading over to Roy's house right now because we're going on a bike ride. On a Father's Day, Sunday, no work bike ride. I'm still waking up super early. I just hope that my bike doesn't fall off the back. So we're about to ride out. 6 now. Probably go head out to Charlie's, see if he's down, see if he's even up, and then see where the day takes us. Not even sure how long this one's gonna be. Hey. bro. So bike ride is over. Definitely need to do that more often. We did 15 miles in under 2 hours. Not too bad, not too good. Now we are gonna go have breakfast at my parents' house and give my dad his gift. And then later they're gonna be going to church, so we can't do anything with them later. So we're gonna go to the gym after that, and then go to Stacy's parents' house.